This is Stephen, and this question is dealing with the concept of similarities between triangles. Similar meaning that this triangle here, the left-hand triangle, or QRS, is proportional to this triangle here. This meaning that the measurements on the sides aren't going to be the same, but there's a ratio between them that works. So, for example, a triangle with 1, 1, 1 for all sides, when it's similar to this other triangle that might have 4, 4, 4, meaning that the ratio is 4 to 1 for these triangles. So looking at these two triangles here, let's clean this up a little bit. We have the measurements for QRS is x centimeters and 4 centimeters. And then the measurements for TUV are 3 halves times x versus this value here. And the question is asking, what is the length of side TV, or what we just circled, this side here, the question mark. So we need to figure out what the ratio is between these two triangles. Thankfully, we have this first portion here, the x and the 3 halves. So we have x versus 3, 2 times x. This is actually where we get our ratio, because this value, this x, is the same thing on both sides. What's different is that this is technically times 1, and this is 3 halves, so 3 halves to 1. So that means for this 4 over here in this question mark, we are going to be multiplying the 4 by 3 halves. So you can write this out as 4 over 1 times 3 over 2, multiply across for fractions, and you get 12 over 2, or 6 over 1, or just simply 6. And our answer then is B.